Hi, my name is Veronica and Axelar has just announced a public token sale that's happening on Coinlist on the 9th of March. And as many of you know, crypto projects that are emerging on Coinlist are likely to get big. So let's see if it is also the case with Axelar, and in this video I'm going to tell you about what the project is, how it works, and what problems it solves. In January, the developers launched their mainnet, and shortly afterwards they also hosted a Seed B funding round on which they acquired $35 million. Such a great sum of money shows, of course, a big interest in the project, but what it also did, it brought overall market value of Axelar to $1 billion. So already at this stage, before the token sale, the project is quite remarkable, and its partners include Ethereum, Avalanche, Polygon, and Polkadot. So what is Axelar? Axelar is a decentralized protocol that aims to bridge different ecosystems. So yes, this is yet another solution to the persisting problem of cross-chain communication. And yes, we're still lacking a smooth medium for that, despite so many protocols trying to solve the issue. The problem with most current solutions is that they are not usable on a global scale. So we have, for example, interoperability hubs. They are great solutions, but only for chains and their native side chains. But we often need the communication between standalone blockchains, which interoperability hubs do not offer. Some solutions that allow you to bridge standalone blockchains are centralized, which means that they are lacking in the security department in comparison with decentralized systems. And this also means they are going to become even less appealing as we slowly but surely transition to Web3. What Axelar offers is the ability to bridge interoperability hubs like Ethereum or Polkadot with standalone blockchains like Bitcoin. What it also offers is the security of a decentralized protocol. But it is not to say that Axelar is the first to offer these two great characteristics. But what sets it aside from others is the fact that with Axelar, the developers do not need to make high-tech manipulations to their original protocol. I will not go in too deep into how it works, but I still want to give you a general overview. I'm going to use the example of transferring some assets from one blockchain to another. At first, the user or the application on their behalf posts the transfer request to the threshold account, and this is routed to the Axelar network. Using threshold cryptography, Axelar validators collectively create a fresh deposit address, which is also sent to the Axelar blockchain. The user who wanted to transfer their assets then learns this fresh deposit address by monitoring the Axelar network. Then they send the tokens to the fresh deposit address via an ordinary transaction. This query of depositing the assets from one blockchain is also sent to Axelar, and the validators check whether the tokens were actually deposited and send the value either true or false. Once enough validators send the true value, or basically validate the transaction of transferring the assets to another blockchain, you are good to go. It can be executed and processed. Two foundational protocols are underlying this whole process. CTP, or Cross-Chain Transfer Protocol, this is the application level protocol, and the second one is Cross-Chain Gateway Protocol, or CGP. I would like to point out that I oversimplified here, and if you would like to know more details, I'm going to leave the link to the white paper in the description box. dApps of diverse functionalities can work through Axelar, but the most recent one has quite a simple purpose in mind, and that's exactly what I've been just describing. It's called Satellite, and it allows you to transfer assets from one blockchain to another. In this case, Axelar acts as a translation layer for these assets to flow in between the interconnected networks. Satellite is just the beginning, and soon dApp developers are going to be able to connect their applications to the Axelar network using an API. And that is how scalability is ensured, because it is both developer-friendly and user-friendly. Its initial popularity and a big chunk of user base Axelar gained through an ambassador bounty program. And now it is gaining even more hype with the announcement of the sale on Coinlist on the 9th of March. That was it for this video. Thank you for watching until the end, and see you in the next one.